Yoppa. That's my bike. Dear Daddy. Yep.
सारी बत्तियां बुझा दी हैं खोने दे मुझे आज फिर तेरे यादों में अपनी बाहों में।
This guy, my brother. How are you, man? Spotted psytrance artist. Yeah, that's my moon. What's up? Chai, coffee, chai.
Where chai?
This Italian cafe, espresso, bro. You?
Very rich person.
No rich person. Ask money from Rahul.
मैंने सारी बत्तियां बुझा दी है आज फिर तेरी यादों में
ये भी गैंग अपना ही है. अभी जो नेक्स्ट दिखा रहा हूँ दूसरे कैफे. Hello, can I have one espresso, please? Yes. 60? Yeah. Done दीदी है. With coffee. With coffee goes sutta. So you find sutta, here, right here. हेलो, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर भैया. कैसे हो?
बढ़िया.
सब बढ़िया बढ़िया, एकदम बढ़िया. 2 छोटी गोल्ड फ्लैग मिल सकती है क्या? ये हमारे खास भैया यार, हम बोल के हम लोग 5 साल से मिलते रहे. थैंक यू. That's where I'm, guys. You're in my GoPro now. Morning, bro.
Are you make it? Hi.
You can see yourself, yeah. It's the front screen. So guys, this is Paolo, the legendary host of the open mic in Twice in Nature. So we'll ask Paolo how is it going on. Paolo, what's
Hi.
up with the season?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Paolo, the legendary host. And I want to introduce Anthony, which is the legendary founder of the Open Mic in Twice in Nature. And this is FRECKO, the legendary hero of the Open Mic in Twice in Nature.
That's my favorite scooter in the world.
There was mist on the beach. Some nights I didn't sleep. Lucidly dreaming I misbehaved. She said, we'll never know. I will meet you there in the cold still air, somewhere in never know.